What do I struggle with as a streamer? What are the things I don't know how to handle? My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. Before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. I know that I'm the person that gives advice, but sometimes I think it's good to just talk about what I have struggles with and to make it just more real. I'm just a person as well who tries out streaming and tries new things and has troubles because we're not troublesome, even though like I'm trying to help you guys. And for those of you that just started streaming, it might be just an eye-opener of what kind of troubles there are in the future that you have to solve or that you have to find a way around. The first problem on Twitch is just discoverability. Like, it's so hard to grow on Twitch if you're not making different content, and I am making content on literally every platform. Okay, I don't have an OnlyFans, but I do have a lot of platforms and I do make content on so many platforms, and sometimes it's a little bit overwhelming keeping up with everything. It's also super overwhelming because sometimes some people don't like the content on other platforms, and it's just hard on me to just see those people not stop by the stream or stop by and just instantly leave because they just wanted to say that my YouTube video was just so helpful. Don't get me wrong, I'm super thankful for the people that stop by my stream and say thank you for making YouTube videos, but sometimes it feels a bit like I'm not good enough if the person immediately leaves after. The second thing that troubles me is that sometimes people don't seem to believe me. I've never not done something that I promised or said something that I couldn't make true. I always just been fair with you guys, but sometimes I just get comments of people that don't believe me or people that think that I'm getting sponsored for something, or it's pretty hard to deal with people that don't believe you or don't have trust in you even though you didn't do anything that would make them believe that. At least from my eye. Maybe there's something I did that makes people believe I'm not trustworthy or something like that, but it's just really hard when somebody thinks that. I know that's just a small portion of people. It's just hard to ignore the people that make those hate comments. That's just like a thing on YouTube. Like, I get quite a lot of people saying that I make helpful videos and it helps, but every time there's somebody that's like, this video didn't work for me, you're sounding like a man, or I don't know what, whatever. I just feel like I need to improve that. I feel like that's the thing I need to improve on. It also gets harder to improve. Like, if you're getting better at something, it gets harder to improve because like I can't just cheek a little bit on my overlay and have such a better stream. I can't just talk a little bit more on my stream because I'm already talking. It's just the things I'm saying that need to be more engaging with people and make people talk about things, which is a lot harder than to get talking. So you get to the point where you have to put more effort into getting better, and that's really hard. That's really hard in the head just to keep that mindset up and to keep growing and going for it. Another thing I struggle a lot with is where I'm from. I'm from the Netherlands, if you guys don't know yet. There is a lot of things that actually hold people back that aren't from certain countries. So for me, if I wanted to get a sponsorship with a company, sometimes I don't get it because I am not living in the United Kingdom or United States, but I do speak English on stream. So like a lot of companies want to only work with me if I do stream in Dutch because I live in the Netherlands, or if I do live in the US because I stream in English. Same goes for platforms. So for example, TikTok is just pushing my videos to Dutch people. And to be honest, there's just a lot more American streamers. I can see that in my stats here on YouTube as well. I've got more American audience. If you're an American, hello! Say hi in the comments. And then there is also features that are just not available here in the Netherlands, like the bounty board. We don't have the bounty board here. Then you have the gamble function in Twitch. We can't put our points in because our law is actually forbidding gambling like that. So in a lot of ways, you feel left out because you're not from America, which is kind of sad. Because I feel like Twitch is an international platform and content creation is something really international, but you keep walking into these problems because you're not an American. Another thing I struggle a lot with is just making friends in general. I am not that great at making friends, if I say that myself. And a lot of you are watching these videos and you say you want to be friends with me, right? And then we just say hi and how are you together, and then that's it. We never actually like have a good conversation. Just on stream we have, but I don't know, I just want to have buddies to play Overwatch with. A lot of people just message me with how can I set this up or how can I fix this problem, and then I fix the problem for them, and I just want to play a game with you after. Don't get me wrong, don't start messaging me with how are you and then never gonna make a conversation, because that's also annoying. Like, people that are just messaging me how are you and then I'm saying good you and then they say good and then the conversation is over. Like, just say something when you have something to say about it. Yeah, like I said, it's a struggle of mine, so I don't know the solution. There's also people that say that people like me that make videos about streaming are totally scammers, and that kind of hurts me as well, because I just try to help you guys, and I'm trying to make helpful videos that can improve your stream, and I would never say that I can help you towards partner, because I am not a partner myself. That would be insane to say. But I do know how to set up bots, and I do know how to give tips about growth, because frankly, I'm in the top 1% streamers, so I can help a lot of people. And I love to help as many people as I can, because when I started streaming, I struggled a lot with setting up things, and I struggled a lot with how the platform worked and how I could grow in general. I think I learned so much about that in the past years, and I just want to share that with you guys, as I don't want other people to go through all these struggles when I can make it easy for them. I want to make it easy for you. One thing I can do to make it easier for you is to send you to this playlist where I tell all about how you can grow your stream and improve and everything like that. If you want to make Twitch affiliate, definitely watch this playlist, and I will just see you there, I guess. See there? Yeah, just click now. Like, what are you waiting on? Just like